Brisbane, Brisbane, Aqua Day. It's coming near you. So it's the 8th of September and we're covering off on 4 different workshops in one day. It's pretty awesome, 7 CECs. We're going to be doing high and low H2O. So we're looking at interval training in a very different way. We're going to go through some research with that too, as well as a masterclass. We're also going to do not just a dumbbell, not just a dumbbell. We're going to be just using one dumbbell, and how creative that you can be with doing a one dumbbell workout in the shallow water. We're also going to be doing a splash dance. That's right, it's like flash dance, but splash dance. No, don't stress, it's not dancing in the pool, but we are taking some influences around dance and the really popular 80s music. So if you're an 80s person, and I am, you're going to really enjoy that masterclass in particular. And then we're going to be doing the cutting edge. So if you've always wanted to experience what it's like to use the gym stick in the water, you've heard about it, you've seen some posts on Facebook, you're perhaps thinking, oh, I don't know about it, come along, because you're going to get some exposure to that and then make up your own mind about what you think about it rather than already deciding. So great day, 7 CECs in Brisbane. I hope to see you.